and this one.
Alright.
He's huge.
Everyone see a shark? Yeah. Alright, we're done. Tour's over. Go in.
I think it was a dolphin.
I thought I said I saw a fin. I was like, no, a dolphin. Oh, wait, no.
Wrong tour.
Hold on, we're here for the shark. Oh, we have sharks in the water right now. Oh. Yeah. Just a few of them. Excuse me, I'm going to reach right under here. Yep. Sorry. Little sharks going down here. Oh. Yeah.
What is that?
Just a water bottle. Goodwill. See if they want to play with it. Sometimes they'll come up and check it out. Really out of curiosity.
There, that one is.
Woo, look at
Oh! Oh, don't take it.
Why we buying But yeah, so nighttime these guys are hunting on the bottom, and daytime they're in like this low energy burning mode.
Yeah.
So these guys actually don't sleep. I know it sounds silly, but they don't sleep because they're forced ventilation breathers. They gotta keep moving to breathe. If they stop moving, they'll drown. But they're up here at the surface thinking that we have something for them, because there's like crab fisherman that's around every day, and he'll check his traps every morning, every afternoon, and look at that, up close and personal.
So was that the orange? We have an orange, almost like an orange buoy out there. Was that?
Yeah. So we have a mooring out here, but there are some other little buoys, and those are the traps.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's usually about 100 yards apart from each other, and then you'll see another one. So that's the two traps. There's a marker, and then right where the trap is at. So pretty neat. And then right here, depth-wise, it's about 500 feet. The sharks, their habitat, these guys, the Galapagos, their habitat's like 200 to 1,200 feet. So believe it or not, they're actually the most abundant shark in Hawaii. You just don't know it because it's deep water. Most people think that like the tiger sharks or something like that might be the most abundant sharks. It's these guys and girls. The girls are the bigger ones that are in there.
Really?
They're also the smarter ones, the prettier ones. No, I'm just kidding.
It came up in
Usually when I'm working with one of the boys, I'm always like,
yeah, this
"Oh,
is
smells like
this
girls."
is cold. Yeah.